In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your workflow with Asana AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use Asana's built-in AI assistant to save time, reduce manual work, and stay focused on what actually matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana workspace and that you have a project or task list open. You'll want to be on a screen where you can see your tasks, since the AI tool works best when it has some context from your existing work. Now, look towards the top area of your Asana interface and find the AI icon. This is usually displayed as a small sparkle or magic wand style icon, often near the search bar or task tools. Go ahead and click on that AI icon. This is your main entry point into Asana AI Studio. When you click it, a panel or prompt window should open, giving you space to interact with the AI. Once the AI panel is open, this is where the real power comes in. You'll see a text box where you can type in what you want. Instead of thinking of this as a traditional search, treat it like you're talking to a smart assistant that understands your work context. Start by typing a clear request. For example, you might say, summarize the tasks in this project and group them by priority, or generate a checklist for launching a new marketing campaign, or rewrite this task description to be clearer and more concise. The more specific you are, the better the AI can help. You don't need to write perfect sentences, but include enough detail so the AI knows your goal. After you've typed your request, submit it and wait a moment for the AI to respond. It will generate suggestions, summaries, or rewritten content based on what you've asked. Review the results carefully. If the output looks good, you can copy it directly into your task descriptions, project briefs, or comments. If it's not quite right, adjust your prompt. For example, you can add, make it shorter, use bullet style steps, or focus on deadlines and owners. A helpful tip is to reuse prompts that work well for you. If you find a phrasing that consistently gives good results, keep using it whenever you open the AI Studio. Over time, this small habit can significantly speed up how you plan projects, clean up messy tasks, and keep your team aligned. And that's it. Click the AI icon, type what you want, refine the response, and integrate it into your workflow to make Asana work